Listen and choose the correct picture. Question number 1. It is red. It is round.
Okay, what's the answer?
Apple
Okay, the apple. What's the clue?
is round and is
Round.
red.
Okay, red and round. Okay.
Question number 2. It is a cow. It looks angry.
Number here, so it's easier for you to tell me what number. Number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
What did you hear from the narrator?
A
What the
cow.
narrator said? It's a cow, and then
White.
it's look white. Do you think the brown one is also cow or not?
No.
What animal then?
Bull.
I think bull? I think both of them are cow. Yeah, both of them are cow. But the next clue is it looks angry. So which one? The
2.
angry cow. Number 2.
Question number 3. It has many windows. It has wheels.
Number 1.
Okay. What do you hear? What did you hear?
He has lots of window and
And?
have a wheel.
Yeah, wheels. Okay. Intinya sama ya.
Question number 4. It is a bird. It is yellow.
One or
Number 2.
number 2. Okay.
Question number 5. It is sitting. It has long ears.
Yeah, what's your answer?
1.
Mm-hmm.
Question number 6. She is standing. She is wearing a sweater.
Number 2.
Number 2. What is she wearing? It's time to read, and we will review on each sentences. I will ask you which word with long vowel A and long vowel I. Okay? Let's read together. How far?
Let's play a game.
Mm-hmm.
It is hide and seek game.
Okay, let's play a game. It is hide and seek game. What's the meaning of hide and seek? What kind of game hide and seek is in bahasa Indonesia? Petak? Petak umpet, ya. Which word with long vowel A?
Game.
Game. And long vowel I?
Hide.
Hide. Okay. Oh, this one.
The winner will get a big cake. Cake.
Okay, cake, ya. Okay. Next. Ayo, this one. The game.
The game starts at 9.
Yeah, the game starts at 9. Who wins the game?
Kate wins the game.
Okay, so because she wins the game, then Kate will get
cake.
Kate got
Cake.
the cake.
Kate got the
Kate
cake.
got the cake. Yeah. Okay, she is kind girl. That's why she wanna share it.
She shares the cake to Jane and Mike.
Okay, she shares the cake to Jane and Mike. Coba, from the two names there, Jane and Mike, which name with long vowel A and which name with long vowel I?
Jane.
Jane is
A.
long vowel A.
Mike.
Mike.
Long vowel I.
Okay. Okay, next.
The kids join a
The
race.
kids join the race. Okay, what about kids of far? It is also our previous lesson. Yeah, we learned it before in level 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Short vowel
What vowel?
I.
Sorry?
Short vowel I.
The sound is?
E.
Good job. It's short vowel I. E. Kids. Sits. Okay, next.
Race. Race starts from the lake.
The race starts from the lake. Tuh kan, lake. Apa lake? I asked you before.
Now.
Danau. Iya, tuh kan. Race and lake have a long vowel A sound. Nah, okay. Next. The kids
see the line. It is near the pine.
The kids see the line. It is near the pine. Oh, that's me about historical caves in Islam. Yeah. Okay. It's the first one, Cave of Hira. I think you remember the story. Beside Cave of Hira, can you mention?
Tulisannya nggak ada tulisan kayak gini aslinya.
Oh yeah. We get this picture from internet. Have you ever visited Cave of Hira before, Alfar?
No.
Not yet, yeah. But do you want to visit there someday?
Someday.
Do you want to visit there someday? Yeah?
Yes.
Pengen? Yeah, of course. Okay. Beside Cave of Hira, can you mention or tell me another historical cave in Islam that mentioned in our history? Selain Cave of Hira, ada cave apa lagi yang bersejarah?
Cave of Kahfi.
Cave of Kaf, and then there's one other cave that also has a meaningful story, especially for Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Beside Cave of Hira, do you know when Rasulullah wanted to hijrah from Mecca to Medina? What cave is that? A place where Rasulullah hid from Kafir Quraisy with Abu Bakar. What cave is that?
Hiro.
Huh? Not Hira. A place where Rasulullah hide from Kafir Quraisy. Ayo, what cave? Tempat Rasulullah sembunyi dari Kafir Quraisy, dari kejarannya Kafir Quraisy. Ayo, apa? Cave of? Do you know? Cave of Sur. Tahu Gua Sur? Ya, Ufar tahu Gua Sur? Pernah dengar kisahnya?
Gak pernah.
Gak pernah? Really? Are you sure? Beneran gak pernah dengar?
Saya belum tahu.
Oh.
Aku kira Gua Hiro.
Iya, Gua Hiro juga penting untuk Nabi kisahnya. Ya, kalau Gua Hiro udah tahu belum? Ceritanya tentang Gua Hiro gimana? Udah tahu ya? Udah tahu kan? Cave of Hiro ceritanya gimana? Tempat apa itu? Kenapa dia penting dalam sejarah Islam? What
Karena
make
itu
it significant? Tempat
Rasulullah menyendiri.
Menyendiri and received the first apa nak? Menerima apa tuh yang pertama kali?
Menerima ayat Al-Quran pertama kali.
Wahyu ya, the first revelation from Allah ya, through malaikat siapa sayang? Malaikat?
Iya.
Jibril. Oke. Kalau Cave of Kaf, tempat apa tuh? Tempat berlindungnya
Nah,
siapa? Cave of Kaf.
Ashabul Kahfi deh kok kayak gitu sekarang?
Oh ya? Emang Aufar pernah lihat ada ini cave-nya sebelumnya?
Belum
Ini yang kita
tahu, tapi
temukan
kok
kayak
kayak
gini.
gitu kok bentuknya.
Kayak rumah ya? Kayak bukan cave ya? Nah, ini yang kita dapatkan informasinya tentang bentuknya kira-kira seperti ini. Because it's not apa namanya? There is no one that know that where the cave of Kaf exactly is. Jadi nggak ada yang belum ada yang bisa tahu benar-benar tempatnya di mana aslinya. Nah, jadi beberapa ulama ya mengklaim itu ada di Jordania, ya ada di Palestine gitu. Jadi belum ada yang tahu beneran tempatnya tuh di mana Cave of Kaf itu. Jadi cuman perkiraan para ulama gitu ya, para ilmuwan. Ya, ini ilustrasi ya, maybe it's just an illustration. Okay, because there's no one know exactly where it is. Beda kayak Cave of Hira and Cave of Sur, karena itu zamannya Nabi Muhammad ya. Kalau Cave of Kaf belum ada yang bisa memastikan lokasinya yang benar tuh di mana.
Soalnya
Nah, ya
kan
kita
sebelum Nabi Muhammad ya sih.
iya, pas mereka itu kaumnya Nabi Isa ya. Mereka tuh umatnya Nabi Isa sebelumnya Nabi Muhammad. Terakhir nih Cave of Sur, coba Alfard baca deh kisahnya biar Alfard tahu nih
Cave
apa nih Cave
of
of
Saur
Sur.
is the cave where the Holy Prophet PBUH took refuge along with Abu Bakr when they migrated to Medina. The Quraysh were looking for them with attention.
Mhm.
But the Prophet and his companions hid in this cave.
Hit, hit, nah, not hide, hit.
Hid
Itu
in this
past tense.
cave.
Mhm.
This cave is located in outskirts of Mecca.
Outskirts. Oke, coba kita artikan yuk.
Apa
Gimana?
gini?
Cave of Sur is the cave where the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam took refuge along with Abu Bakar radhiyallahu anhu when they migrated to Madinah. Apa artinya? Gua Sur adalah gua di mana Nabi Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam apa took refuge berlindung ya dengan Abu Bakar dari ketika mereka bermigrasi atau hijrah ke Madinah. Mereka berlindung dari kejarannya siapa? Kafir? Kafir Quraisy. Who were looking for them. They wanna kill them ya. Kafir Quraisy waktu itu pengen nangkep Nabi dan bahkan membunuh Nabi. Nah, tapi dengan bantuan Allah, dengan izin Allah, mereka sembunyi. They hid in the cave of Sur. And with the help of Allah, Kafir Quraisy cannot find them. Ya, and Rasulullah with Abu Bakar succeeded to migrate to Madinah, ya, akhirnya sampai ke Madinah. The location is in the outskirts of Mekah, jadi di luar kota Mekah. It's different with Cave of Hira. Cave of Hira is located in Mekah, while the Cave of Sur is in the outskirts of Mekah, di luarnya kota Mekah. Pernah dengar kisah itu nggak? Pas Nabi sama Abu Bakar mau hijrah, sembunyi di gua Sur ini, hampir ketangkep sama kafir Quraisy. Tapi sama
Tapi
Allah,
ada laba,
gimana?
apa itu jaring laba-labanya.
Mm-mm. Habis itu ada
Dan
hewan apa
mereka
lagi?
berpikir kalau
Mm-mm.
itu gak mungkin Nabi Muhammad sembunyi di sini karena
Ya.
jaring laba-labanya tidak terputus.
Oke, jadi ada Allah kirimkan laba-laba untuk bikin jaring ya di depannya, di gate-nya pintu masuk. Terus ada satu lagi hewan yang selain laba-laba, ada yang disuruh bertelur di situ, yaitu apa nak? Burung ya. Jadi di dekatnya pintu masuk itu juga ada burung yang bertelur. Nah, itu menambah keyakinan kafir Quraisy bahwa Nabi dan Abu Bakar nggak mungkin masuk ke situ, ya kan? pasti burungnya udah kabur kan kalau ada orang masuk ke situ. Nah, itu dia historical caves in Islam. Nah, jadi seandainya Rasulullah sampai bilang ya, seandainya kafir Quraisy itu apa ngelihat ke bawah kaki mereka aja, menunduk gitu ya, pasti Nabi sama Abu Bakar tuh sebenarnya kelihatan karena Cave of Sur ini bentuknya kecil. Dia seperti ini nih kita lihat ya. Nih, Aufar lihat. Nah,
Kecil.
can you imagine if Rasulullah and Abu Bakar hid there? Was it easy for kafir Quraisy to find them? Ya kan? Kalau bukan karena pertolongan Allah ya, gampang buat kafir Quraisy nemuin Nabi waktu itu. Nah, ini dia berbatu di atas gunung.
Banyak kucing masuk.
Iya, kayak kucing masuk. Ya di luar kota Mekah ya, tapi dekat, masih dekat. Oke. Nah, itu dia ya. Jadi dari bentuknya kelihatan kan, cave-nya itu kecil ya. Kalau nggak di ini nggak disembunyikan sama Allah, Nabi sama Abu Bakar gampang ketahuannya. Tapi karena dibantu sama Allah, ditolong sama Allah, mereka pun selamat akhirnya. Oke, Alfar. That's our class. And today is our final meeting, Alfar. Pertemuan terakhir kita. What do you think, Alfar? Studying English, Islamic English so far? Gimana perasaannya Alfar belajar Islamic English? What star do you want for tonight? Mau star warna apa, nak?
Light green.
Light? Light green? Ya. Oke. Alfar gimana perasaannya belajar Islamic English sejauh ini? Suka nggak sama kelas Islamic English?
Yes.
What do you like about Islamic English class? Yang bikin Alfar suka karena apa?
Bisa mempelajari hal baru.
Pelajari hal baru. Not only studying English, tapi kita juga discuss soal Islam ya. Ya nggak? Mm-mm. Oke. Arika mohon maaf ya kalau banyak hilaf selama belajar bareng Alfar. Nah, semoga Alfar ke depannya bisa belajar dengan baik. Whenever you are ya, belajarnya dimanapun bisa belajar dengan baik. Dapat ilmu yang bermanfaat ya. Selama di kelas Islamic English ya. Oke, yuk kita foto dulu yuk. Kita ini graduation. Ini ceritanya kelulusan nih. Ayo kita mau pakai filter gak? Filter ini apa wisudan kayak waktu itu. Oh enggak? Yuk.
Eh,
Nah, Harika udah pakai nih. Oke, yuk. Harika foto ya. One,
oke.
two, three, smile. Oke, Masya Allah. Yuk, kita tutup kelasnya dengan doa kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Amin. Thank you for coming ya, Aufar. See you next time. Sampai ketemu lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye
Waalaikumsalam.
bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Dadah.